FP&A teams are starting to use AI tools like Claude and Excel. But if you're still building templates and logic manually, you're missing a big opportunity. The real value isn't just using AI. It's using it on top of your Vena data. Here's what that looks like. I'm building a revenue and cost template for forecasting bike sales. I start in Vena, go to my library, create a new template using Vena's Template Studio, and select the revenue and cost of revenue template tied to my company's data model. I choose my dimensions like entity, department, accounts, and products, and generate the template. Then I open it in Excel and filter it to my New York entity, sales department, and Costco as a customer. Now the template is connected to my Vena database, but it's still pretty basic. This is where Claude comes in. I prompt Claude to import the most common external drivers for forecasting bike sales and convert key fields into dropdowns. In a few moments, it builds out the drivers, updates the structure, and explains exactly what it added. Then I take it a step further. I ask Claude to add logic, take a single driver amount, and spread it across 12 months based on the selected driver. It updates the template again, highlights input cells, and makes the entire model interactive. What would normally take hours of writing formulas and building logic is now done in minutes. And more importantly, I'm not compromising on quality or simplifying the model just to save time. Instead of building everything manually, I can focus on reviewing, tweaking, and tailoring it to my business. Once the template is ready, I add it to my Vena workflow for revenue and COGS. Now, it's not just a file, it's part of a governed process automatically distributed to the right users with clear steps and accountability. And that's the difference. Claude makes it faster to build, Vena makes it usable, connected, and scalable across your business. Check out venasolutions.com/VenaAI to learn more.